welcome to the channel Web Creates. So we have started a new series on how we can use Photoshop to create graphic design work. All right, so we have learned the basics, the introduction. We have also learned two tools, that is the shape tool and the pen tool. Okay, so if you haven't watched that video, go and watch it. I've placed it at this top. All right, so let's begin today's video. Please, before we begin, I want you to subscribe. If you are watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, you haven't done well. So please go and subscribe to the channel and like the video, share it, comment on it, so that I will know your problems and I'll address it in time. So let's start our video. So today our main focus is the test 2. So this is the test 2 and the move 2. This is the move 2. All right, so I want to explain firstly about the test 2. So with the test 2 is used to write letters. All right, write test, okay, to our work. So if I want to write test, I just click here. Okay, so you click here, you click on the test 2 button. But before we use it, I want you to right click on it. Okay, so when you right click on it, you see something like this. All right, the horizontal type 2, the vertical type 2, the vertical type mask 2, the horizontal type. So we are going to explain these two. Okay, then as time goes on, we move on to these two or these ones. Okay, so the horizontal type 2 allows you to type text horizontally. All right, so let's select that one. Then you click on the sheet or the working area. When you click on it, this is what will happen. Something like this will come. All right, something like this will come. Then just type your letters. Okay, so let's say Ghana. Okay, Ghana. Then after this, you can, when your mouse is like this, is displayed like this, you can move it. You click on it, then you move it, let's say to the middle. Okay, you can do something like this. Then you click here, okay, the check mark. Okay, you click on the check button. Then this will help, this will make the, then you click on the check button. Okay, so click on it. So when you click on it, then our horizontal test will be created. Okay, be created. Then after that, so when you look at this top, these are the properties of the test. Okay, so you can change the properties. Okay, this is the font style. So if you want to choose another font style, so you click on the arrow, then these will come. Then you choose the text style that you want. Okay, you can choose this one, the text style that you want. All right, you can choose this one. All right, so you choose the one that will make your work look very nice. Okay, so it depends on you. All right, then you can choose that with the text style. How do you want it to be? Should the letters be light? When we say light, it should be thin, the letters be thin, or should it be regular? So it is on regular now, so this is the size of the regular. Then should it be bold? You see the bold, it will deepen. Okay, then should it be italic? When you say italic, it will burn a little. Okay, you see this is italic, so you choose what you want. Then this is the font size. So if you want it to be bigger, you choose more by high values. So let's say 36, then it will be bigger. All right, then if you want it to be sharp, okay, the text to be sharp, like the contrast, there's more contrast. Okay, you click on it. Or if you want it to be crisp, then you click on it, then it will be crisp. You want it to be strong, then you click on it to be strong. Smooth, then you click on it. Okay, you will not see the effect, but when we do more about, we do practical on it, you see the effects of it. Okay, so let's select this one. Then this is the alignment, the text alignment. Should it be center aligned, or left aligned, or right aligned? Okay, it depends on you. All right, as you do your work, you know. Then this is the fill. Okay, the fill. So the shape to the fill was used to then fill the shape with color. Okay, so it's the same as the test tube. Okay, so when you click on it, then you choose the color that you want to fill your test with. When you click on it, you choose the color that you want to fill the test with. Then after that, you click on OK. Then it will be created. Let me explain this. This two is what? Warp test. Okay, the create warp test. If you want the test to be rounded, okay, you just come to the start and you change it. So if you want it to be like this, you choose it. Then you set the settings that you want. If you want it to be like this, you want to be like this. All right. Then you set the ones that you want. Okay. All right. So that is it. Then if you want more properties of the test, you just click on this one is a property 2. Click on it. Then it's the same with the shape 2. So this will appear. Then there are more properties. If you want it to be underlined, you just click here and it will be underlined. All right. If you want to change the spacing, the letter spacing, you just come here, click on the arrow, then you choose the letter spacing that you want. Let's say this one. Then it will bring spaces in it, in between letters. Or this one, you see, to bring spaces between letters. Then this one is the line spacing. Okay, the line spacing, because we have only one line test, we will not see this. Okay, but if we had 2 line tests, when you change this, it will space the in between lines. Okay, it puts spaces in between lines. Then it's the same as that. So that is the test 2. Let's move on to the move to. Okay, the move to, what does it mean? The move to, look at the illustration. You see what it's doing? So we use it to move our shapes, our letters, our images to the place that you want. So when you click on it, there are so many. So let's right click on it first. You see move to, we have the artboard too. So when you click on the move to, you click on it, then you drag. It will help you to move your text or images to another place. All right, so let me explain this. This is a bonus for you. When you move this, you see there are lines that comes. Okay, these lines help you to align your text. This helps you to align your text and your shapes. Okay, so this is what horizontally centered. Okay, horizontally centered. So this centered, this text has been centered in the middle of your sheet. All right, so when you look, you see something like this, then it means it is in the center of your sheet. So that is what we use the move to do. We use it to move text, to move shapes and other things. Okay, all right. So but I want to explain this. Before you can move something, you have to select it in the layer first. Okay, and if you noticed it, when we clicked here and we click here, there is another layer, a new layer that opens. Okay, that layer is the layer of your test. Okay, so Ghana, when we did Ghana one, there was a layer, a test layer. Okay, that opened. So that is it. So if I want to move this one, I just click on it before I use the move tool to move it. All right. So if I want to use this one, if I want to move this one, I'll click on Ghana layer, then I'll move it. All right, so that is it for this video. Okay, I don't want to be too long, so in our next video we are going to look at the select tool and the brush tool. So stay connected. Bye.